Hello and welcome, friends. We are here with another gift segment of the adorable Isha Singh. Let's see what gifts she has received from her fans.
टंग टड़ांग मेरे लिए गिफ्ट आया है फ्रॉम दिव्या वंदना टू ईशा सिंह. ओ वाओ, सो स्वीट. तो मैं टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करती हूँ, डायरेक्ट गिफ्ट ही खोलती हूँ, है ना. चलो. ओ वाओ, ओ वाओ. To the sweetest person ever, lots of love thee. Keep bringing good work and I promise to support you always. With love, Divya. So sweet, so sweet. Thank you, Divya. अब मैं गिफ्ट खोल लूँ. Oh wow, oh so sweet. मेरे लिए कीचेन आई है जिस पे लिखा है प्रिटी मी और ये मेरी फोटो है. थैंक यू दिव्या. एक स्माइली वाला बैच आया है. दैट मीन्स कीप स्माइलिंग. और एक और चीज़ है, एक और कीचेन है एस से. एस क्यों ना? दिव्या डी से, ईशा ई से. एनीवे बहुत स्वीट है ये भी. टू द क्यूटेस्ट पर्सन, लव यू दी, कीप स्माइलिंग. थैंक यू. एस फॉर स्माइल. यस, गुड, स्मार्ट हो. Oh wow, oh, so sweet. Oh wow, Isha Singh with lots of love. ये कप बहुत स्वीट सा है. थैंक यू सो मच. इसके अंदर जो लिखा है वो तो पढ़ लूँ मैं. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हे ईशा दी, to be honest, really you are too pretty and innocent. Whenever I see you in Ishq Rang Safed, it will be like I'm watching some 90s की heroine. Because then your expression speaks a lot, which is like invisible in today's actresses. Oh, that's so sweet. Your best quality is you will never let your fans down. You always support them. Support in the sense you replies, like, comments are the things which gives more happiness really. एक smiley है बड़ी cute सी. And I wish you to be the same always and don't ever change yourself. Even after becoming very big actress. Don't worry. I won't let you people down. Anyway, whenever you come on TV, it's really like कि कोई अपना acting कर रहा है. Don't know why I feel so. Proud and happy seeing you in that level and just want you to enjoy your life and taste the success to next level and always be grounded and down to earth. Your way acting feels me like as if you are seriously going through lots of sorts and situations. As far as I know, for an actor, their biggest goal to tend their audience to completely involve in their acting, which I truly feel. Whenever you act, through your acting you make laugh, cry, bold, taunt, enjoy, and you even taught me how to be strong and stand by my family. So sweet. And the role of Dhani, which you were acting, no other can make such justice to the role. It's like I can't imagine some other in the role. So please don't leave that show ever. Many may look beautiful, pretty, awesome with all sorts of unnatural chemical products, but you have proved a pure heart with kind nature will add beauty to the soul. So as you are, with that calm white sari, you look much more innocent and worth watching. Your only ornament is your charm and beauty through your expressions and cute smile. Whatever may be the situation, you just don't forget to wear your smile, which helps another heart to smile. Oh, इतना अच्छा, मैं तो रो पड़ूंगी यार. Happy birthday दी. I wish all of your success come true and be blessed always. World full of happiness should always be in your eyes, which reflects as your mother smile. Be calm, stay focused, follow your dreams, walk wherever it takes you. Always choose right path to walk and always remember, we Isha Didi will always with you, supporting you. Follow your supporters' name Ishaholics and just through it we should have your identity. Just be happy always and never take tension. If at all you feel lonely, remember we are at a very message far. One message will be all yours. Never lose your respect for elders, being innocent, humble, cute. Once again, happy birthday Dee and love you. To the moon and back. PS, I have very bad handwriting and know that, but still love you and can't express my feelings properly, but I hope you understood it. Lots of love, Divya. So Divya, thank you so much. ये लेटर सबसे ज़्यादा स्वीट था इन सब गिफ्ट से. गिफ्ट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, लेटर भेज देती यही बहुत था. आई एम रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये सब पढ़ के. 3 पेज का लेटर, इतनी तारीफ मेरी. माय गॉड, मैं तो फूल कितनी हो गई, खून बढ़ गया मेरा. सो मैं हमेशा ऐसे ही रहूँगी, डाउन टू अर्थ रहूँगी. जितना पॉसिबल होता है उतना रिप्लाई दे देती हूँ सबको. आई डोंट वांट कि मेरे फैंस डिसअपॉइंट हो मुझसे. सो एट लास्ट वेरी वेरी थैंक यू सो मच. लव यू.
वेल ईशा, इतना प्यार तो बेशक बनता ही है आपके फैंस से. उपासना पटेल, कैमरामैन बाबाजी, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई.
Hi, this is Isha Singh. You're watching me on India Forums, and for more, subscribe to WhatsApp TV.